The Hoarder. Once upon a time, in a certain village of Japan, there was a very mean old woman. Whenever she saw anyone having something, she would want that. She would say, "If you don't want this, would you let me have it?" Saying this, she would carry it off. One day, it so happened that a neighbor's cat caught a rat. It ate all of it and left the tail. People saw the tail lying and decided to throw it away. Then one of them jokingly said, "I'm sure that the old woman won't ask for this at least." Gossip about someone and the person appears. And so the old woman appeared. When she saw the rat's tail, she said, "If you don't need this, would you let me have it?" As soon as people heard this, they were shocked. One of them asked her, "What will you do with this?" She replied, "I will make a covering for my drill." Momotaro. Once, an old man and his wife lived in Okayama. They had no children. Every day, the old man went to cut wood and his wife went to the river to wash clothes. One day, while she was washing the clothes, a big peach came floating down the river. It looked yummy, so she decided to take it home for the supper. When the old man came back home, the wife cut the giant peach open. Out came a small boy. They were overjoyed and called him Momotaro, which means peach boy. Momotaro grew up to be big and strong. One day, he decided to go to the ogre's island and defeat the ogres. The old woman gave him some dumplings to eat on the journey. On the way, he met a monkey, a dog, and a peasant who joined him. In return, he gave a dumpling to each. They reached the ogre's island and defeated the ogre, who gave Momotaro all their treasure, and Momotaro returned home victorious. Isunbushi. Long ago, there lived an old couple who had no children. Every day, they prayed to God and begged for a child. Finally, the old woman gave birth to a child who was as small as the old man's thumb. They called him Isunbushi. They brought him up with love and care. One day, he said to the old man and the old woman that he wanted to go to the city. They gave Isunbushi a sword made of small needles, a chopstick paddle, and a bowl as his boat. He reached the city and found himself in front of a mansion. Before long, he became the guard of the princess. Once, he and the princess were attacked by an oni, and the devil swallowed Isunbushi. He stabbed the insides of the devil's stomach. Overcome with pain, the devil threw him out. Defeated, the devil fled away, leaving behind his magical hammer. The princess used the magical hammer to make him a full-grown, handsome warrior. They got married and lived happily ever after.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.